good morning! And this is our third day in the resort and it is also our checkout. So now we are going now for breakfast and then we'll check out later, but we're gonna do a late checkout because Isabella still wants to enjoy the place. She wanted to go for swimming. Isabella? What are you watching? Yes. So, and now we are going to our breakfast. Isabella, your mask. And now we'll see you after some time. This is my breakfast. Yum. Crunchy.
Show mine.
This is my husband's
Mommy,
food.
Mommy, my friend is over there.
Huh?
Swimming pool.
Friend is come?
Yeah, my friend.
My
Okay.
husband's food.
Mama,
And mine. What?
look, my friend is over there.
How did you know it's your friend?
Because I remember at the bar.
That's it. Oh yeah.
We'll
We
finish.
just
then
have
we'll
to
go,
finish
okay?
our food.
You have to finish that. Go sit there and eat first. Go. Are you going to sit or no? What happened?
Because you're not sitting here. Crunchy.
I don't like the handful. What is this, Mama?
What?
Mama, what is this?
Watermelon.
No, I know this.
That is sweet melon. Sweet melon.
Mama, why is this? Get and see?
Yeah, fast because there's so many flies.
Can we try that? Mama, I don't want the hand because that thing is over here.
Okay.
I want it to hand that I can sit you, okay? Why did you bring me tree,
I
Mama?
will eat it now, please.
Look, why did you bring me tree? I do not have tree. I want one.
Okay, just eat it.
So only get this one, American one, I eat. And this one, when I put the milk, I stop eating. I'm not eating till I have food instead.
Remove that thing from your mouth. Remove it from your mouth. It will fly away. You know what you have to do, right? What to do?
So
It will
we
fly
are,
away.
we are busy on weekend.
I know you just fly away to another place. I really want to play with them.
jalapeno, right?
I think so.
How's the sambar?
Nice.
Nice. It's heavy on it, it's not? Pancake. Pancake. What you call this?
What is that, Isabella?
What is it?
That
Waffle, right?
waffle. Yeah, it's waffle. Yes, so, Mama, this one is waffles.
This is our last breakfast here. We are checking out now. It's 4 o'clock. We are going to check out now. It's time for us to leave. And now we are just waiting for our car because it was in the parking. So one of the staff will take the car and take outside from the parking. So Isabella, say hi, show your flower. Isabella got the flower.
I got 5.
See?
4 trillion.
And for that, from who?
For me.
Oh, show your flower.
I got 5.
Pretty.
1, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hi.
5. That
Yes.
was a brat.
Actually, we enjoy our stay in this hotel, and we are planning to extend it, but we have decided not to because I have lots of work. I have to do some work, and my husband also will start his work by I think on Sunday or Monday. So we are quite busy for the next few days.
No, I didn't.
So we decided to go. Yes, we can come back always, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Isabella meets some few friends every day, different friends.
I just say hi to your friend.
Yeah, and
I can swim.
and Isabella is a good swimmer, and she swam like 1.4 meter. Yeah?
Swim.
You swim 1.4 meter, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That was
That's how
good.
deep it is.
Yes. And
And
now,
guys, I know what is this one. If like water where we swim, yeah, this one dies.
yes, and now we are going back to Dubai, and it will take us like another 2 hours to go back.
Yeah.
So it's a
boring.
so it is a quite long journey for us. So now it is
What am I gonna do?
hello
The
guys.
who's driving?
We are now in the car. Now we are going back.
That was driving, love.
Huh?
Whew, that
was
was a
driving.
quite
Not you.
amazing
We
holiday.
were in that mall. When we were in
So meaning you have fun, Isabella?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. Then you met some few
Oh, it
friends,
goes
right?
somewhere out, see, and the car is going out.
Why that little boy is crying?
Because
He.
he wants to keep playing with me.
Oh, okay.
We live in Sky Court.
That guy is also live in Sky Court, ba?
They used to.
Ah,
Now they are gone to some other place.
Okay.
You asked them? Did you ask them where?
Yeah.
Where?
So, but they're living in Dubai.
When we
Ah.
are living in Sky Court, right?
Yes.
And I came wrong.
You You came wrong?
Yeah. It's
Congratulations.
a parking, I think. Here. We came into their parking.
This is the parking way. That is the driver from the hotel you are
Yeah.
following. So they have parked our car here then. This is the
It's
parking.
little, see, sandy also it is, the car.
Our
Where am I
car is
supposed to
sandy.
go here?
So it's quite crowded also, no? The parking.
Where am I supposed to
No,
go
it's just
here?
little
Dada?
sandy.
Dada?
Yes,
I
yeah.
think you did not see because it was all sandy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, no, it's not sandy.
Dada just made the mistake, Bella. That's it.
I don't know where to go.
You can ask this guy, na? This is the hotel staff.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Dada, I got one day.
Hi guys! We are back! Happy anniversary!
Now we are back home. My daughter is... she slept in the car, so now she just get up. So by the way, we just have to end this vlog. It's getting long. So I hope you have enjoyed our mini getaway. And I'll see you to our next one. Isabella's here. And we'll see you to our next one. Bye!